What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to sign out of your Google account on your iPhone or Android devices. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. Most Google apps, such as Google Maps, the official Google app, Chrome or Gmail, have very similar ways of logging you out. Note that signing you out of your account in one application will most likely log you out on all other apps too. In this example, we will use Google Chrome to log you out. Here, make sure that there is currently no tab open and tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen. From here, select your username and you can then proceed to sign out or switch accounts. On the Google app or Gmail, you will also have to select your username, but then tap on Add another account. This will sign you out of your current account and Google will proceed to ask you to log in to the new account, which you can cancel. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.